What is the difference between the modern digital worker and traditional automation? Traditional automation focuses on individual tasks, but digital workers are powered by agentic AI and automate operational workflows from start to finish. They operate across systems, manage exceptions, and keep manufacturing moving continuously. Here are 8 examples of digital workers already in use with manufacturers. 1. Supply Order Manager. Traditional procurement automation needs predictable workflows and manual management. The Supplier Order Manager digital worker keeps procurement moving by handling complex supplier confirmations, delays, and follow-ups. It reduces manual intervention and improves risk management across supply chain operations. 2. Inventory Replenisher. Fixed inventory rules and reactive replenishment are features of traditional automation. The Inventory Replenisher digital worker autonomously converts requisitions into purchase orders to ensure availability. It saves time, reduces shortages, and maintains continuity. 3. Material Replenisher. To replenish, traditional workflows require manual coordination between warehouses and service teams. Material Replenisher reduces delays by identifying required parts and recommending fulfillment actions across warehouses and field locations. Aligns technicians and planners with no more missing parts. 4. Customer Order Manager. Traditional automation only handles orders in specific structured formats, but Customer Order Manager processes any format. It improves customer satisfaction and reduces manual effort. 5. Supplier Invoicing Manager. Invoice workflows in traditional automation involve repetitive manual review. Supplier Invoicing Manager understands invoices, including exceptions, automating the whole process from intake. This improves financial accuracy and operational efficiency. 6. Dispatcher Assistant. When priorities change rapidly, traditional scheduling workflows struggle. Dispatcher Assistant constantly monitors schedules, detects exceptions early, and recommends reallocation options to protect SLAs. Dispatchers respond faster, and schedules are more stable. 7. Knowledge Manager. Traditional systems make operational knowledge difficult to access quickly. Knowledge Manager surfaces the right knowledge in real time across service, support, and operations workflows. Teams resolve issues faster. 8. Service Planning Assistant. Traditional service planning struggles with real-world shifts in demand and other constraints. It depends on manual preparation and fragmented information. Service Planning Assistant provides better data and actionable scheduling intelligence, but without replacing existing scheduling logic. Teams plan proactively, respond more effectively, and improve schedule quality. Digital workers are a major shift in capability, from task automation to autonomous end-to-end operational execution. Instead of automating isolated tasks, digital workers help manufacturers execute workflows continuously across complex operations. You can explore more digital worker workflows and manufacturing use cases by visiting our website in the link below.